Now we've come to the time to unwrap a Christmas gift from 1989. The backstory about this little Christmas gift is that I think it was in October. Old lady contacted me that she knew that I like Commodore computers and so, and she had found up in her attic from her late husband, she thinks, a Christmas gift that was unwrapped. She opened it a little bit and saw the Commodore name on it. So I thought that it would be really nice to have it here in Forndata 2020 Christmas to just open it. So it's never been opened from 31 years, I think, 1989, maybe 1990. I'm not sure because I have checked it a little bit here, and I think it's some package with James Bond game and so. So we will try to open it up and see if it's how it looks. So this is little, yeah, I think I got my first Amiga 500 1990 or 1989 also. So, but it was not the Christmas gift. 1982 I got my Dragon 32 Christmas gift. So that's was so exciting. And now, a couple of years later, we see here. I think it's Amiga 500. We also have.
Wait, Patrik.
Yeah.
I'm gonna.
You see?
No, you have to just.
I don't have
touch
any
you.
sound. Ah.
Yeah, you do have sound, but it's very low, so
Very
no,
low.
you
Can't
don't
put it.
have any sound at all.
Ah, okay.
Now,
So
do you hear me now?
now.
Okay, it's better with the sound. Is it still this 50 hertz, or is it better? Yeah, I see it is.
Now it's better.
Now it's better. Okay, that's good. Yeah, we see here it's the Mega Action Pack with James Bond, Cloud Kingdoms, and Manix. I think it's the three games: James Bond, Manix, Cloud Kingdoms. And I also see the price tag here. It says 4,999 crowns. I think it's bought at Store Eliten. It was a rather big toy store in Sweden in that time. So we just open it and check. Yeah, this is the first time in 30 years we have to open. I don't know if we see here. Ah, this is so exciting. Yeah. Let's see here what we have. Yeah, the first we have a James Bond. So it's unopened, it's still the plastic. I think I don't want to open it right now with the plastic. We have also Cloud Kingdoms. Have you played that?
No.
James Bond you have played because that's a really fun. Yeah, this is a really fun game. Cloud Kingdoms. So probably I think it's more from 1990 maybe 1989. And then we have Manix. I think I played that. It was some bouncing ball. Also with the plastic on. We have a Quick Shot 1 Deluxe joystick controller. It's never been opened. We'll see if it's that one inside. Yes, this. Yeah, I think it's one of the worst joysticks ever made. So I'm really glad that this is unused. Yeah. We had this joystick test this summer, and I think that was the worst.
Yep.
Yeah. And we have also this Commodore Amiga TV modulator 520. I don't need it here, but yeah, it's unopened with the plastic and all the connections. Yeah. Not any yellowing either, so that's nice. And then we have, I don't know if it will put it up like this. Let's see us. Yeah, and we have the Commodore Amiga 500. And we have still the tape, the plastic is still on. Do we have something to open? I don't know. Yeah, you have a little, that's good. Yeah, you can open it. You can open it. Ah, so nice. This is. Wow. I don't know if you see here. I don't have that with all the package. I have a lot of Amigas right now, but I don't know. I don't have any. Which still have this cardboard, and also this thing. Yeah, we have completely new Amiga 500 with all the plastic, all the styrofoam. Yes. And the workbench 1.3. We will see if we can open it without damaging the. I have to see if it's any yellow. And smell the new computer smell is still there. You have to smell it. Yeah? You still that? Yeah? That's fantastic. So this is what a brand new Amiga looks like 2020. And then it's perfect in the color. And the warranty seal, of course, is still there. So this is real nice. Do we have anything else in the box there? Well, I think we have I have to check out. Yeah, we have the Swedish books. We have also, yeah, there we have.
Ja, men hur slår du av den?
The PSU, real good. And we have also the tank mouse. It's never been used. We still have the little.
It's just amazing.
Yeah, this is amazing. So, some questions about this. Which teenager didn't get their Christmas gift that day? What have you done? That's a little.
It's sad to think.
Yeah. This is really cool. It's an all new Commodore Amiga with games never opened, with the joystick, not so good joystick, but we will try it later on. Plug it in and see if it starts. That will be nice. And then probably, maybe I'm going to sell it. You never know. I have so many Amigas, so I don't know if I need another one. But this is really, really cool. Yeah.
Visa sakerna lite närmare här.
You see here. We have this amazing joystick, QuickShot 1. That's a little shame. They have a package for 5,000 Swedish crowns, and they put in the worst and the cheapest joystick ever. We have this, the tank mouse. Still have the little plastic there. And we have the workbench discs. And all the games. But this one, I think I don't want to open it. And we have the TV modulator. Not the heavy one. This is more light. That's good. And we have also the books. Very nice. And the computer. Still with the small yellow, if you remember when you was buying your new. It had been a shame if it still had been yellowed. But this is pretty cool. But we come back later when we try it, put it in, and see if it works.
Yeah.
Think it's not working. Yeah. Thank you very much. Now we'll have to. I think we'll have to have some more demos.
It sounds like that.
Yeah.
Just press go on any one of those.